Hi everyone. Now I'm going to show to you how to find variance, standard deviation, and also range using Excel. So this is the example, closing stock prices in commercial bank. Right. So first we're going to find for variance. So before we find for this variance here, so we need to identify that what type of data that we are dealing with. So we are actually dealing with a sample, not population, right? So the formula is equal sign var dot s to represent sample, and we choose data range. Yeah? For example, we choose Maybank, so the range here, and we click enter. So this is the variance. And what about standard deviation, right? So standard deviation, the formula is STDEV, and we also can choose from here as well. Okay, right? So dot S, yeah, to represent sample, and then here we choose the data range and enter. So the standard deviation is 0.1542. And the last one, how to find range. So in order to find range, actually we need to find the minimum and also maximum value. So first we choose maximum. So how to find maximum? So maximum, max in bracket, and choose the data range. So the maximum is 10.2 and minimum, okay, minimum here, and then choose the data range. Okay, so 9.4. So now we have to find ourselves the range. Okay, right? So how to find this range? So we have to find ourselves lah. Yeah, 10.2 minus 9.4, 0.8. So this is the range. Okay, that's all. So I want you to find this variance, standard deviation, and also the range for other commercial banks. That's all.